Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a parrot. Let's start off by drawing a short angled line like so. Then add a big curve going out to the right and down, and an S-shaped curve underneath to close it out. Next, add a small bump underneath like so to finish off the beak. For the head, start at the top corner and draw a big curve going to the left, then looking up slightly at the back. Add a zigzag here for some ruffled feathers, then come back down the back of the head like so. For the wing, draw a line that starts here and makes a big swoop down and turns back up a tiny bit at the end. Then extend the line from the head all the way down and turn back up to the end of the wing here. For the tail feathers, start here and draw a really big hook shape. Then a narrower hook shape next to it. And one more that goes up to the wing here. For the body, start at the bottom of the beak and draw a line that sweeps out and back in to stop here. Then, draw the feet underneath with two curved oval shapes for each foot. Next, draw a C-shaped curve in its head and add a dot for the eye. For some added detail, draw a branch with a wavy line that starts here, goes behind the wing, behind the feet, and up to here. And draw a similar line a bit lower, but making it narrower and narrower towards the right like a real tree branch would. Finally, add 3 rows of thin wave shapes across the wing for the feather patterns that parrots are known for. And now you've got a parrot!